Hey kids, if you've been following me a while, you know I'm not super hot on leatherwork, but I'm getting not shitty at it. Made a couple of single knife rolls to put on the table at the Maker's Market this morning. Made this one yesterday. This is version 2. It's the third one overall, but I'm not totally stoked on this part of it, but it functions really well. Cat's melon. This is a 9-inch chef's with a 2 1/4 inch cheek. So you can see it's got a little bit of room for more. Works well. I didn't snap the snaps because doing it one-handed is a pain in the ass. And this is the one I banged out this morning. Decided to feature the brand that was on the cow that donated the leather. Snaps again, just refining things a little bit. Totally stoked on this one. Making this pooch part, this part pooch, was a challenge for me, but I'm happy with how it looks. This is almost 8-inch, not quite 8-inch K-tip with the Sichimai from Baker Forge. It's rad as shit, of course. Some box elder. Anyways, this will all be at the Maker's Market today, and there you go. Knife rolls are going to be on sale as well, so stop by, grab some coffee from somebody and something to eat, check out knives, say hi, take care, have a good day.